I present to you, sir, 90 candidates of the Faculty of Social Sciences for award of degree of Master of Arts, Master of Public Administration and Bachelor Studies. Their name reads Miss Afia Economics, Mr. Sajid Hamid Economics, Mr. Zishan Haider Economics, Miss Faiza Kandhro Mass Communication, Miss Pire Solangi Pakistan Studies, Miss Rima Sial Pakistan Studies, Miss Shehnaz Parveen Solangi Psychology, Mr. Mohammad Awais Raza Mass Communication, Mr. Kamran Ali Mullah Pakistan Studies, Miss Aisha Sayyed Sociology, Mr. Siraj Ahmed Baloch Sociology, Miss Uruj Fatima Sociology. Master of Public Administration, Miss Hamama Malik Public Administration. Move on, please move on. Hello. Now the Bachelor Studies, Social Sciences. Miss Tania Ahmed, Criminology. Miss Ikra Gul, Economics. Miss Uzma Parveen, Gender Studies. Miss Reena, International Relations. Mr. Khair Mohammad alias Sadat, Mass Communication. Miss Marvi Shaukat Qaim Khani, Mass Communication. Miss Rabia Wahid Qaim Khani, Mass Communication. Miss Shifa Aga, Mass Communication. Sayyida Munam Zohra, Mass Communication. Miss Kainat Lashari, Political Science. Miss Shamsun Nisa Narejo, Political Science. Miss Hadika Fazil, Psychology. Miss Komal Khoso, Psychology. Miss Lizna Halipoto, Psychology. Miss Fatima Gul, Public Administration. Sayyid Wasim Hussain Shah, Public Administration. Mr. Basit Ali Memon, Social Work. Miss Mariam Baricho, Social Work. Mr. Asif Ali, Sociology. Miss Aisha Tabassum, Criminology. Miss Aksa Sahto, Criminology. Miss Farhan Ali Solangi, Criminology. Miss Kainat Zahur, Solangi, Criminology. Mr. Muhammad Ambar alias Jawad Ahmad, Criminology. Mr. Yusuf Nawaz, Criminology. Miss Asiya Sheikh, Economics. Miss Faiza Pathan, Economics. Miss Mamta Kumari, Economics. Miss Neelam Maheshwari, Economics. Miss Pooja Maheshwari, Economics. Mr. Saddam Hussain Mastoi, Economics. Mr. Kainat Chandyo, Gender Studies. Miss Nishat Kamal, General History. Miss Aisha Kalwar, International Relations. Miss Aisha Sattar Khan, International Relations. Miss Ambreen Munir Memon, International Relations. Miss Bisma Korejo, International Relations. Miss Durre Nayab, International Relations. Miss Nimra, International Relations. Miss Kamarun Nisa, International Relations. Miss Sara Akhtari, International Relations. Mr. Waqar Malik, International Relations. Mr. Mohammad Saleh Lagari, Library and Information Science. Mr. Faraz Ahmad Abbasi, Mass Communication. Miss Hifza, Mass Communication. Mr. Kashan Sikandar, Mass Communication. Mr. Muhammad Mudassir, Mass Communication. Mr. Muhammad Awais Raza, Mass Communication. Miss Nabiha Ahmad, Mass Communication. Miss Sadia, Mass Communication. Mr. Walid bin Khalid Sheikh, Mass Communication. Mr. Zubair Ahmad Khohro, Mass Communication. Mr. Kamran Ali, Pakistan Studies. Mr. Tahir Hussain, Political Science. Mr. Abir Pathan, Psychology. Miss Ammara Gujjar, Psychology. Miss Iman Haider Tareen, Psychology. Miss Kainat Abbasi, Psychology. Miss Laraib Habib, Psychology. Miss Mumal Sumro, Psychology. Miss Rabia Arooj, Psychology, Mr. Sahar Qaim Khani, Psychology, Mr. Zamir Hussain Bosan, Psychology, Sayyida Javeria, Psychology, Mr. Ahmad Khan Jamali, Public Administration, Ms. Chand Bibi, Public Administration, Mr. Imran Ali Shoro, Public Administration, Ms. Nida Pari Pathan, Public Administration, Ms. Sumayya Thebo, Public Administration, Ms. Tanzeem, Public Administration, Mr. Arsalan Ilyas Qureshi, Rural Development, Mr. Mohammad Monis, Rural Development, Ms. Tayyaba Anis Qureshi, Rural Development, Ms. Aisha Sayyed, Sociology, Ms. Kamal Nas, Sociology, Mr. Sajid Ahmad, Sociology, Mr. Saraj Ahmad, Sociology, Ms. Uzma Lagari, Sociology.
Now I will call upon Professor Dr. Naik Mohammed Sheikh, the Dean Faculty of Natural Sciences, to present his candidates for the award of bachelor's and master's degrees by the Honorable President of the Convocation.
I present you, sir, 198 candidates of the Faculty of Natural Science for the award of degree of Master of Science, Master of Computer Science, and Bachelor of Science. Ms. Bakhtavar, Biochemistry. Ms. Izhar, Botany. Ms. Mahanur Anjum, Botany. Ms. Ariba Ajaz, Chemistry. Ms. Aisha Manzoor, Chemistry. Ms. Tazeen, Chemistry. Ms. Tazeen, Chemistry. Ms. Maria, Computer Science. Ms. Faiza Ayub, Geography. Ms. Saima, Geography. Ms. Saima from Geography. Ms. Uruj Abid from Geography. Ms. Tuba from Mathematics. Ms. Arfa from Physiology. Ms. Samia from Physiology. Ms. Aksa from Zoology. Ms. Aksa Rafiq Sheikh from Zoology. Ms. Atiya Nayyar from Zoology. Ms. Atiya Nayyar from Zoology. Ms. Aisha from Zoology. Ms. Mahik from Zoology. Ms. Maria Khan from Zoology. Ms. Sajda from Zoology. Ms. Yumna from Zoology. Ms. Yumna from Zoology. Ms. Ramesh,
yes,
Ms. Ramesha Azhar from Biochemistry.
कम कर दें क्योंकि हमें बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी हो रही है मैनेज करने में. प्लीज़ स्टेज हाल खाली कर दें. स्टेज के आगे वाले जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं काइंडली वो अपने सीट्स पे बैठ जाएं. यस प्लीज़ स्टेज के आगे वाला जो एरिया है वो खाली कर दें.
Miss Yamna from Zoology. Miss Ramesh Azhar, Biochemistry. Miss Seher, Biochemistry. Miss Fazira Siddiqui, Botany. Miss Kusain Shahid, Botany. Miss Sitara Parveen, Chemistry. Miss Shaista, Mathematics. Miss Atiya Abid, Physiology. Miss Jamila from Zoology. Miss Jamila from Zoology. Miss Manal from Zoology. Miss Manal from Zoology. Mr. Muhammad Akram from Zoology. Mr. Muhammad Akram from Zoology. Miss Taram from Zoology. Miss Tuba Fasih from Zoology. Miss Tuba Fasih from Zoology. Now 2 candidates from Master of Computer Science. Miss Yamna from Computer Science MCS. Miss Hadika Naeem. Miss Hadika Naeem, Computer Science, Master of Computer Science MCS. So now Bachelor of Science. Candidates from Bachelor of Science, Miss Ariba Safdar from Anthropology and Archaeology. Miss Aksa Khadim from Biochemistry. Miss Hina Nazir from Biochemistry. Miss Hina Nazir from Biochemistry. Miss Kainat from Biochemistry. Miss Kanwal from Biochemistry. Miss Kanwal from Biochemistry. Miss Maimuna Atiq from Biochemistry. Miss Maimuna Atiq from Biochemistry. Miss Ramsha Zaman from Biochemistry. Miss Sadia Ansari from Biochemistry. Miss Shakuntala from Biochemistry. Miss Shakuntala from Biochemistry. Miss Ummul Wara Khan from Biochemistry. Miss Ummul Wara Khan from Biochemistry. Mr. Waqar Ahmad, Biochemistry. Miss Tahreem Raza, Biochemistry. Miss Yasmin, Biochemistry. Mr. Khan Muhammad from Botany. Mr. Khan Muhammad from Botany. Miss Samra Fatma from Botany. Miss Rehana Kamwal from Botany. Mr. Abdul Kareem from Chemistry. Mr. Awais Ali from Chemistry. Mr. Fahad Hussain from Chemistry. Miss Faryal from Chemistry. Miss Fatma Batul from Chemistry. Miss Mehraj from Chemistry. Miss Mona Akhtiar. Miss Mona Akhtiari from Chemistry. Miss Priya Sindhu. Miss Priya Sindhu from Chemistry. Mr. Riaz Hussain from Chemistry. Miss Sheba Kamar from Chemistry. Mr. Ali Akbar from Computer Science. Miss Aliza from Computer Science. Miss Aliza from Computer Science. Miss Israt from Computer Science. Mr. Jahangir Ahmed from Computer Science. Mr. Musawwar Ali from Computer Science. Mr. Nadeem Ali from Computer Science. Mr. Sagar Kumar. Mr. Sagar Kumar from Computer Science. Mr. Shafiq Ahmed from Computer Science, Mr. Shahryar Ahmed from Computer Science, Mr. Sunil Kumar from Computer Science, Mr. Sunil Kumar Khatri from Computer Science, Mr. Sunil Kumar Girdari Marwani Hindu from Computer Science. Tayyaba Hussain from Computer Science, Miss Anam Maqsood from Environmental Science, Miss Anam from Environmental Science, Miss Hina from Environmental Science, Miss Hira Nasir from Environmental Science, Miss Umme Abia from Computer Science from Environmental Science, Umme Abia from Environmental Science, Miss Aisha from Freshwater Biology and Fisheries, Miss Aisha from Freshwater Biology and Fisheries, Miss Arlene from Genetics, Miss Arlene from Genetics, Miss Hiba Zaid from Genetics, Miss Midhat from Genetics, Miss Midhat from Genetics, Miss Aisha from Geography, Miss Aisha from Geography, Miss Aisha from Mathematics, Miss Aisha Sayyed from Mathematics, Miss Aliza Siddiqui from Mathematics, Miss Rushba from Mathematics, Miss Sadia from Mathematics, Miss Sana Khan from Mathematics, Miss Mariam from Medical Laboratory Technology, Miss Mariam from Laboratory Technology, Miss Mahanur from Nutrition and Food Technology, Miss Ramza Ansari from Nutrition and Food Technology, Miss Tuba Khan from Nutrition and Food Technology, Mr. Akhtar Hussain from Physics, Miss Javeria Hamid from Physics, Miss Usma Khan from Physiology, Miss Arisha from Statistics, Miss Ikra Tabassum from Statistics, Miss Musaddika from Statistics, Miss Iman Aslam from Zoology, Miss Iman Aslam Sheikh from Zoology, Miss Kamwal Lagari from Zoology, Miss Maria Aman from Zoology, Miss Mariam Malik from Zoology, Miss Rabia Arai from Zoology, Miss Rabia Irram Jaskani from Zoology, Miss Asiha Uruj Qureshi from Biochemistry, Miss Amna Meman from Biochemistry, Miss Ikra Korai from Biochemistry, Miss Meherbanu Sumro from Biochemistry, Miss Bisba Abbasi from Biochemistry, Miss Nida Yasmin Jatt from Biochemistry, Miss Aisha Ismail from Biochemistry, Miss Harim Fatma from Biochemistry, Miss Ikra Sheikh from Biochemistry, Miss Ikra Sheikh from Biochemistry, Miss Laiba Sayyed from Biochemistry, Miss Sayyada Aisha from Biochemistry, Mr. Abrar Ali from Botany, Mr. Abrar Ali from Botany, Miss Alina from Botany, Miss Anam from Botany, Miss Anbiji from Botany, Miss Marvi from Botany, Miss Nabila from Botany, Miss Noor Fatma from Botany, Miss Pirha from Botany, Miss Rajna from Botany, Mr. Abid from Chemistry, Mr. Ahmad Ali from Chemistry, Mr. Anam Fatma from Chemistry, Mr. Athar Zahur from Chemistry, Miss Bibi Amber from Chemistry, Miss Hina from Chemistry, Miss Ikra from Chemistry, Mr. Khadim Hussain from Chemistry, Miss Mishal from Chemistry, Miss Nanchini Kumar from Chemistry, Miss Binish Aslam from Computer Science, Miss Binish Aslam from Computer Science, Miss Hafiza, Computer Science, Mir Hissa Sheikh, Computer Science, Mr. Mahamakil Sheikh, Computer Science, Miss Mahek, Computer Science, Mohammad Kishan, Computer Science, Mohammad Noman, Computer Science, Mohammad Talha, Computer Science, Qurratul Ain, Computer Science, Ruqayya, Computer Science, Mr. Shahbaz, Computer Science, Sumayya, Computer Science, Sumayya Shoro, Computer Science, Asma, Computer Environmental Science, Safina, Environmental Science, Abdul Ghaffar, Freshwater, Abdul Ghaffar, Freshwater, Aqsa, Freshwater, Fatma, Freshwater, Mahnoor, Freshwater, Rahila, Freshwater, Fiza Khan, Genetics, Ikra, Genetics, Safia Khatun, Genetics, Sayyida Kashfaq, Genetics, Zahra Manzoor, Genetics, Ronam Shabir, Genetics, Geography, Salim Aman, Geography, Hasnain Raza, Geology, Binish Parvez, Mathematics, Hazin Iman, Mathematics, Maryam Usman, Mathematics, Muhammad Musa, Mathematics. I present you, sir, Miss Aliza, Doctor of Abid Ali Arai, the candidate for the award of Vice Chancellor's Medal, and request you to kindly decorate them with a silver medal. Miss Aliza, daughter of Abid Ali. Miss Fatma Shabir for silver medal. Miss Fatma Shabir for silver medal. Silver medal. I present you, sir, Miss Kamwal Ali Jatoi for the award of silver medal. Miss Kamwal Ali Jatoi.
Yes, I'm just going to announce the few gold medalists who were just left. Miss Muniba, MA Pass Urdu. Then we have Miss Muniba again, MA Pass Urdu. Miss Ramsha, BB Honors. Try. Miss Muniba. Miss Muniba. Sayyida Zunesha. Sayyida Zunesha. Actually, silver.
The Dean Faculty of Arts, Professor Dr. Mohammad Khan Sangi, is requested to present his candidates for the award of Master's and Bachelor's degrees by the Honorable Vice Chancellor.
I present you, sir, 58 candidates of the Faculty of Arts for award of the degree of Master of Arts, Bachelor of Arts Honors, Bachelor of Design and Bachelor Studies. The list of Master of Arts. Mr. Muhammad Usman, Arabic. Mr. Ali Maman Thebo, English. Mr. Ayaz Hussain Memon, English. Ms. Maham Memon, English. Ms. Shafia Sheikh, English. Mr. Tanveer Ahmad, English. Mr. Niaz Ali Sial, Sindhi. Ms. Muniba Sheikh, Urdu. Ms. Mahnur Yusuf Zai, Urdu. Bachelor of Design and Fine Arts. Ms. Ravina Lachman, Communication Design. Ms. Anmol Kumari, Fine Arts. Ms. Dorothy Komal Bhatti, Fine Arts. Ms. Faria Aziz, Fine Arts. Mr. Jaypal Das, Fine Arts. Ms. Fatima Birohi, Textile Design. Ms. Samarina, Textile Design. Ms. Anam Khokhar, Communication Design. Ms. Shazeen Nasir Sheikh, Communication Design. Ms. Fazila Solangi, Fine Arts. Ms. Kamal Jatoi, Fine Arts. Ms. Nazish Gurgez, Fine Arts. Ms. Anusha Khan Pathan, Textile Design. Ms. Gule Meena Pathan, Textile Design. Ms. Masooma Raza Khaskheli, Textile Design. Ms. Varisha Khan, Textile Design. Bachelor Studies. Mohammad Shah Nawaz, Arabic. Miss Aksa Bakar Beg, English. Miss Bakhtabar Chandio, English. Miss Iram Sheikh, English. Mr. Mehdi Sumro, English. Mr. Muhammad Azam, English. Mr. Muhammad Yunus Brohi, English. Miss Nurul Ain Mukhtiar, English. Mr. Shaukat Ali Jamali, English. Mr. Amir Ali Abbasi, Sindhi. Miss Nausheen Rahim, Sindhi. Miss Afshan Ahsan Barich, Urdu. Miss Ikra Hamid Arai, Urdu. Mr. Muhammad Umar Farooq, Urdu. Miss Nimra Sheikh, Urdu. Miss Pire Jiskani, Urdu. Miss Rabia Hamid Arai, Urdu. Miss Sidra Abbasi, Urdu. Miss Umme Ariba Ansari, Urdu. Miss Aisha Lashari, English. Miss Arzu Kumari, English. Miss Ghulam Fatima Sheikh, English. Miss Nida Gill, English. Miss Nirmal Khwaja, English. Miss Kuratul Ain Pinky, English. Miss Sharina Hanif Meman, English. Sidra Thebo, English. Miss Simra Fatima Mirza, English. Miss Sue Silero, English. Miss Surat Bugyo, Sindhi. Sayyida Zunaisha Javed, Urdu. Sayyida Fiza Javed, Urdu. Bachelor of Arts Honors, Ghulam Fatima Talpur, Philosophy. Thank you.
The Dean Faculty of Commerce and Business Administration, Professor Dr. Javed Ahmed Chandio, is requested to present his candidates for the award of Master's and Bachelor's degrees by the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Mohammad Siddiq Kolodo.
Sir, I present to you 46 candidates of the Faculty of Commerce and Business Administration for award of degree of Master of Business Administration, Master of Commerce, Bachelor of Business Administration Honors, and Bachelor Studies in Commerce. Masters of Business Administration, MBA. Mr. Darshan Lal, Ms. Hifza Khan, Mr. Mansoor Ahmed, Business Administration, Ms. Saira Shabir, Business Administration, Ms. Sidra Ejaz, Business Administration, Ms. Sindhu, Business Administration, Mr. Safayat Ali, Business Administration, Mr. Vakil Kumar, Business Administration, Mr. Amir Ali, Business Administration, Mr. Abdul Qayyum, Business Administration, Ms. Anita, Business Administration, Ms. Anita Bai, Business Administration, Ms. Arjun Mal, Business Administration, Mr. Azharuddin, Business Administration, Mr. Basit Ali, Business Administration, Mr. Ehsan Ali, Business Administration, Ms. Sabah Aziz, Business Administration, Mr. Sajjad Hussain, Business Administration, Mr. Suhail Ahmad, Business Administration. Mr. Adibur Rahman, Business Administration. Master of Commerce, M.Com. Miss Amna Shabir, Commerce. Miss Kainat, Commerce. Miss Sasui, Commerce. Miss Shahida, Commerce. Miss Reena Kumari, Commerce. Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA Honors. Mr. Ali Jan, Business Administration. Mr. Hamza Khan, Business Administration. Ms. Khadija, Business Administration. Ms. Mariam Ansari, Business Administration. Mr. Mohsen Parvez, Business Administration. Ms. Sameer, Business Administration. Ms. Varsha Fatma, Business Administration. Mr. Abuzar, Business Administration. Ms. Almas, Business Administration. Ms. Myra, Business Administration. Masroor Ahmad, Business Administration. Mazhar Ali, Business Administration. Ms. Ramsha, Business Administration. Ms. Sana Sadakat, Business Administration. Ms. Shumaila Dero, Business Administration. Mr. Ahmad Zia, Business Administration. Faculty of Commerce, Bachelor Studies in Commerce. Ms. Gunia, Commerce. Mr. Maruf Raza, Commerce. Ms. Sidra, Commerce. Mr. Abid Ali, Commerce. Mr. Pawan Kumar, Commerce. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The Dean Faculty of Education, Professor Dr. Abdul Sattar Almani, is requested to present his candidates for the award of degree of Masters and Bachelors by the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Emeritus Dr. Muhammad Siddiq Kaloro.
Faculty of Education, I present to you, sir, 17 candidates of the Faculty of Education for award of the degree of Bachelor of Education, Honors Elementary, Masters of Education B.Ed Honors 1.5 year and B.Ed Honors 2.5 year. Number 1, Miss Anika Abrar Ahmed Hashmi, Education. Miss Uruj Fatma Abdul Qadir Mehman, Faculty of Education. Miss Varda Samu, Faculty of Education. Miss Mariam Ahmed, Faculty of Education. Miss Murk Gul Mohammad Bugyo, Faculty of Education. Miss Sadaf, Faculty of Education. And Miss Shazia, Faculty of Education. Then Masters of Education, Miss Kiran Naz, Mr. Salman Ali. Then B.Ed Honors 1.5, Miss Komal Arshad Khatri, Miss Nazat, Miss Rana Fatma, and Miss Sidra. Again from B.Ed Honors 2.5, Miss Faiza, Miss Hina Pathan, and Miss Sundas Kamal.
The Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Professor Dr. Lachman Das Dumeja, is requested to present his candidates for the award of Master's and Bachelor's degree by the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Mohammad Siddiq Kalodo.
I present to you, sir, 37 candidates of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology for award of degree of Bachelor of Science. Ms. Shameem Khan, Information Technology. Sayyida Nimra Adil, Information Technology. Mr. Muhammad Salman, Software Engineering. Mr. Shahnawaz, Software Engineering. Ms. Tabinda Asif, Software Engineering. Mr. Umair Shahid, Software Engineering. Mr. Abdul Ahad, Telecommunication. Mr. Mehtab, Telecommunication. Ms. Mariam Javed, Telecommunication. Mr. Muhammad Mujtaba, Telecommunication. Ms. Nabia Roshan, Telecommunication. Mr. Rahil Ahmed, Telecommunication. Ms. Samra Siraj, Telecommunication. Mr. Suhail Ayub, Telecommunication. Ms. Unzila, Telecommunication. Ms. Vara Baloch, Telecommunication. Ms. Mahnoor Iqbal, Electronics. Mr. Faraz Ali, Information Technology. Mr. Kapil Dev, Information Technology. Mr. Mustafa Aman, Information Technology. Mr. Rashid Ali, Information Technology. Mr. Raza Muhammad, Information Technology. Mr. Suhail Aman.
Ms. Marvi, Mr. Mashook Ali, LLM. Ms. Pire Anwar, LLB Honors. Ms. Harish Gul, LLB Honors. ठीक है बेटा.
The Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Khalilur Rahman Khambari, is requested to present his candidates for the award of Bachelor's degree by the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Mohammad Siddiq Kalodo.
I present to you, sir, 4 candidates for the Lord Campus, Badin, for award of degree of Bachelor of Master Business Administration, Bachelor of Science, and Bachelor Studies. Mr. Mahesh Kumar, BS Computer Science. Ms. Sumayya, BS English. Mr. Mohammad Naveed, BBA Honors. Mr. Abdul Wahab, BS Computer Science.
The focal person, Professor Dr. Naik Mohammed Sheikh, is requested to present his candidates for the award of degree of Bachelors of Business Administration and Bachelor's Studies.
I present you, sir, the 7 candidates of Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto Shahid Campus Dadu for the award of degree of Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelors of Sciences. Mr. Abrar Ahmed from BBA, Ms. Dua Maham from English, Ms. Faraz Shams from BBA, Mr. Ms. Mahek from BBA, Mr. Muhammad Saeed from BBA, Ms. Sana Tabassum from BBA, Ms. Faiza from BS English.
The focal person, Professor Dr. Azhar Ali Shah, is requested to please come forward to present his candidates of the Khan Bahadur Sayyid Aladdin Shah Campus, Nowshera Feroz.
I present to you, sir, 4 candidates of the Khan Bahadur Sayyid Aladdin Shah Campus, Nowshera Feroz, for award of degree of Bachelor of Science, Bachelor Studies and Master of Arts. Ms. Shiza, daughter of Saifullah, BS English, Mr. Kashif Hussain, BS Computer Science, Mr. Noshab Ali, MA English, Ms. Shaista, BS Information Technology. Thank you.
The Controller of Examinations, Semester Mr. Mashuk Siddiqui, is requested to present his candidates of the Sindh University Campus, Larkana.
I present to you, sir, 16 candidates of Sindh University Campus, Larkana for award of degree of Bachelor of Business Administration Honors, Bachelor of Science, Master of Business Administration and Master of Arts. Ms. Mahrunissa, BBA Honors, 2K19. Ms. Faiza, BBA Honors. Ms. Surhan, BS Computer Science. Mr. Ishtiaq Ali, MBA. Ms. Rabel, MA Pass English. Ms. Arich, BBA Honors. Mr. Arslan Ahmed, BBA Honors. Mr. Athar Ali, BBA Honors. Mr. Faisal Mukhtiar, BBA Honors. Mr. Hujjatullah Bugyo, BBA Honors. Mr. Mohammad Khalilur Rahman, BBA Honors. Riaz Hussain, BBA Honors. Ms. Savera, BBA Honors. Mr. Abdullah Niaz, BS Computer Science. Ms. Shazia Jan, BS Computer Science. Ms. Roma, MA Pass English. Sindh University Campus में पोखार से पढ़ा है. I present to you, sir, 7 candidates of Sindh University campus, Mirpur Khas, for award of degree of Bachelor of Business Administration Honours and Bachelor of Science. Miss Mariam, BBA Honours. Miss Mariam Sharif, BS Computer Science. Miss Noman Naseem, BS Computer Science. Mr. Shazeb Ahmed, Riaz Ahmed, BS Computer. Miss Khizra Shahid, BS Information Technology. Miss Ariba, BS Computer Science. Mr. Muhammad Danish, BS Computer Science.
This concludes day 1 of academic convocation 2019 to 2023. The session is adjourned till 9 a.m. tomorrow, the 24th December 2024.